Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we're going on a road trip bago mag-start ng school year ni Jansoy. So it's a 3-hour drive kung diretso-diretso, pero may mga stops kasi kami, so it will probably take us the whole day siguro. And ang drive namin is up to 120 miles away. So we'll be starting our trip here sa Tri-Cities, Washington to Portland, Oregon! So our first stop is a viewpoint dito sa Oregon overlooking sa Columbia River. So the other side, it's Washington State. That's the Columbia River. Nag-divide. Sa right side is the Oregon State, and then the left side, yan yung Washington State.
So, nandito pala kami sa Sugar Pine sa Troutdale.
Troutdale, Oregon. Sa 18 miles away from Portland, saka 200 miles away from Tri-Cities, Washington. Alright.
So I have the grilled cheese waffle thing, and here's the cheese pull. It's very great. It has very great cheese pull, and I'm still wondering what it tastes like.
It's good. I have the lomi salmon salad.
Good.
Yeah.
So I have the Kahlua pulled pork sandwich. Good. Tastes good.
Now we're on our way to Vista House.
So, malapit lang din dito, mga 16 minutes lang. Tapos dun sa Sugar Pine drive-thru, tsaka may dine-in siya. So nakapark kami dito across the beach kasi along the Columbia River, kasi ito along Columbia River Gorge. So ang river dyan, may mga naliligo kasi recreational area nito. So we are now here in Vista House, Crown Point, State Scenic Corridor. So nasa Oregon pa rin ito. So napakaganda dito. Yan, dito muna kami. We will spend a few minutes here muna. So yan.
Vista House. Si John nag-ikot-ikot, nagkumuha ng mga clips. It's very
This video is
hot.
sponsored by the infamous Insta360.
So yeah, we're just here waiting for John to finish kasi sobrang init. So kung saan kami nakaupo ngayon, ito yung labas ng Vista House. Hindi kami makapasok kasi parang may renovation silang ginagawa. May orange cone nakalagay sa entrance. So we can't go inside. So we're just here enjoying the view. Yeah, and hindi nagpa-bilad sa araw. Kasi yung isa sobrang init na daw.
So yun nga, nandito pa rin kami. Yung dalawa nasa sa loob na. So yan, That is the Columbia River. Ang left side niyan is the Washington side, Washington State. Dito naman sa right side, yan ang Oregon State side. So, yan ang highway. I think Interstate 84 yata yan. Yung highway na yan. So yeah, tapos na kami dito and so we're going to Motnoa Falls at saka Laturel Falls. Mag-hike kami doon. So yan. So nandito na kami sa trailhead ng Laturel Falls. Mag-hike kami papuntang falls. Pero yung mga shoes kasi namin, ito. Mga running shoes lang. Yan. Kaya nagdala kami ng mga hiking shoes. Yan. I think this is Jansoy. That's Jansoy.
Oh wait, that's the wrong one.
Yeah, that's mommy's.
Here.
This is mine. And ito kay Allison. Yan. So, nagsimula na kami mag-hike. Punta na kami sana sa falls. Although makikita lang namin ang falls dito. Pero napansin namin yung trail pataas. So, nakita ko sa mga content creators. Patingalas lang nakatingin sa falls. So, kami, pababa yung tingin. So, I think this is not the correct trail. So, bumaba na lang kami. Yan. Pababa na kami. Tapos magsisimula muli kami dun sa trailhead. Malapit lang naman. Yan, yung parking area. Ayan. So nasa tamang trail na kami ngayon. We're on the way there. Malapit lang naman. So yun, tapos na kaming mag-hike. Lapit lang. And pupunta na kami sa Portland. 22 miles or 18 miles lang galing dito. Depende sa traffic din. Pag walang traffic, abot kami kagad pag traffic. First time kasi namin sa Portland. So hindi namin alam kung gaano ka traffic dun. So yun, and we will vlog again once we arrive in our hotel.
So, nandito na kami sa tinutuluyan namin at saka nakapagpahinga na din ng konti. So, nakapag-freshen up na galing sa nung nag-hike kami dun sa falls. So, ngayon, magdi-dinner kami. Papunta kami sa
Jollibee!
kasi bagong bukas yung Jollibee dito sa Oregon. So, yun yung puntahan na. Doon kami magdi-dinner ngayon. So, yeah,
It's already 8 p.m.
Yeah, 8
Ang init dito.
Sobra. Parang nasa Pilipinas.
Oo, may heat warning ngayon dito. Kaya palang init.
Super.
So yun, it's just 18 miles away or 23 minutes kung walang traffic.
Look at the golden sunset.
That's what we call golden hour.
Look, see? Oh, wow. So pretty.
Saka gawin.
Look at that. Oh my god. Say what? The hour looks like what? Golden? Golden? Yeah, it's literally golden. Look at the color. It's golden. That's why it's called golden.
Yeah. Can they have, you want to do that? Yeah. Okay, can I, two-piece chicken with rice? Two-piece with rice.
Rice, no drink for that?
With drinks.
So ito, kumakain na kami ng Jollibee. Ano dito, wala silang burger steak. Kasi yun yung gusto sana ni Jansoy, burger steak tsaka spaghetti, pero wala. So, yung in-order namin, pareho kami lahat. Dalawang chicken joy, tapos spaghetti on the side, at saka rice on the side. Kasi yung kasama nila dito is biscuit. So, yun, nag-order kami ng extra rice. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah. So, yeah, kain muna kami dito.
So, pauwi na kami sa hotel. Ang sarap dito. Walang tax. Nabayaran natin. Magkano nabayaran mo?
Walang sales tax. We paid $59. Sa Seattle, minsan $70 to $80 yung mababayaran. Sa ganun order.
Kasi?
Kasi may sales tax. Dito walang sales tax. So, nakadiscover kami na walang sales tax dito. Kaya dito na kami.
So, yan. Baka lilipat na naman kami dito. No? So, nandito na kami sa St. Helens, Oregon. Dito daw isang bahay ni Belas One. Belas One? Pero private property, so walang parkingan doon sa loob. Kaya dito kami sa gilid ng daan nag-park. Tapos maglalakad papunta doon para magpa-picture tong isa. Is that it?
Visiting Bella's once.
Yan, nakita mo si Bella doon?
No, you're not allowed to go inside the property. Actually, that property is, you can rent it for Airbnb, but they don't have available slot anymore because
For this year.
Until next year. And
Until next year?
yeah,
What?
the minimum stay there is 2 nights, and then the cost is $300 per night. So you spend like around
600
to
plus
700.
na pa
I don't
mayroong
think
mga
there's-
fees pa yan.
Yeah, there are fees. So, yeah. You're only, if you're not renting, you're allowed to take a picture on the road. So, that's what we did today. But, yeah, I don't think it's fun. If you really like, want to, like, experience the whole
Oh.
thing.
If you're a hardcore fan of the Twilight
I read
series.
the whole book when I was in college with my college classmate. Actually, nag-text ako sa kanya ngayon, nag-message ako sa kanya, pinakita ko sa kanya yung bahay.
Yung bahay.
Kasi kami dalawa yung avid
Pero may isang bahay din doon sa Forks sa Washington.
Yeah, hindi ko alam kung hindi yan
Oo.
pinapa-Airbnb at least.
Oo, pwede kang magpa-picture doon.
Yung nalaman ko ngayon na yung mostly pala ng scene dito sa Twilight is nandito sa Oregon, then konti lang dun sa Forks.
Sa Washington.
Yeah. Mostly nandito sa Oregon. May ano
Yeah.
kasi like, or Twilight tour, which will take maybe 3 days. Pero kung gusto mo i-visit daw lahat, dapat 1 week. So, yun. But I'm happy.
Okay, it's 30 miles away from Portland ito. Itong St. Helens, St. Helens, Oregon. So yun, and we'll go back to Portland na sa
The mall.
anong mall yun?
Washington Mall.
Washington Mall, pero nasa Oregon siya, nasa Portland siya. So yun.
So, kumain kami dito sa Din Tai Fung kasi nung umuwi kami galing Canada, kumain kami dito sa same restaurant dun sa BGC. Pero, nung time na yon
Mahal.
ang mahal. So, si Wiljan gusto yung pagkain. So, parang feeling namin tinipid namin siya kasi parang ayaw, gusto pa ng order. Doon sa mga tama kasi sobrang mahal ng price.
Okay. tapos na kami dito sa Washington
Square
Mall. Pupunta na kami ng Voodoo Donut.
So, nakabili na kami ng Voodoo Donuts. Half a dozen lang yung binili namin kasi ang laki ng ano nila, ng mga donuts nila. So, what we have here, Jansoy ordered a plain. This is the plain donut, like glazed donut. And he also ordered the maple bacon. The one is over here.
Okay.
I ordered the grape ape, the purple one. And then the chocolate coconut cake. Jan ordered the voodoo donut. This is the voodoo donut. And the old dirty bastard. So we'll see if it's good. But yeah, look at the servings. It's so